Para sa ating mga micro-entrepreneur, ipinatupad natin sa BIR sa ngayong taon ang one-time tax abatement.
When the President highlighted this program in his SONA, he made it clear that the government must find ways to ease the burden on Filipinos, especially those whose businesses have struggled or closed. Sa dami ng programa ng pamahalaan para gumaan ang buhay ng ating mga kababayan, binigyan diin ng Pangulo ang ating one-time tax abatement program para sa ating mga maliliit na mga taxpayers o yung mga micro-taxpayers. At sa BIR, sinisiguro nating simple, accessible at taxpayer-friendly ang mga proseso. This is part of our continuing effort to become more taxpayer-centric, understanding our taxpayers' challenges, reducing unnecessary burdens, and making compliance easier.
It's been actually a burden to us, knowing that it will pile up for penalties. We don't know what will be the consequences after that.
Those micro taxpayers who have dormant or intending to close their businesses, and because of that, there is accumulation of penalties for non-filers.
Layunin nito na makapagbigay ng kaunting ginhawa sa mga nalugi o kaya'y lumiit ang kita dala ng hirap ng panahon.
This kind of taxpayers are those whose revenue or annual receipts is about 3 million and below. If you are categorized under these taxpayers, under micro taxpayers, you can avail of this one-time abatement process.
We are planning na to do another business. Kasi nga, syempre, there are some unforeseen events na nangyari doon sa food and beverage store namin. So, yun, we are planning to put up nga dun sa professional lang namin. And actually, we have high hopes na makapag-start. Start afresh. Little that we don't know na you still have to pay pala yung accumulated amount. So, parang ang nangyari doon, na kami, na
Stress pa
parang
kami.
all hope is gone. Big challenge to us when we have found out that we have almost 170,000 pending liabilities. Kaya nung we have heard about the abatement, actually it was explained to us on the RDO 5413. Actually, it's a big relief to us. Parang it gave us a glimmer of hope na we can start again.
Bali po, ito po yung inyong certificate of closure. May doc stamp na rin po. Yun po yung proof ng closure ng business niya. Wala na po kayong outstanding liability.
This relief is important because it gives the taxpayers the opportunity to settle their tax obligations. So, naiintindihan naman namin na hindi sa lahat ng pagkakataon maganda ang takbo ng kanilang mga business. So, itong pagkakataon na ito ay binigay para maka-start over ang ating mga taxpayers, at least yung kanilang mga tax obligations ay kanilang mababayaran.
Malaking tulong po ito sa taxpayers para po makapagsimula sila ng clean slate po. So para po wala na silang mga open cases or liability with the BIR po.
For 4 years, yun pong mga tax liabilities nyo and penalties ay hindi nyo na po babayaran. So, yung abatement fee po natin na 5,000 per year, enough na po yun. Ito na po ang inyong certificate from year 2022 to 2024 po.
You know, that is a very big help and big relief to anyone na if you imagine 80,000 naging 5,000 na lang. That will give you a fresh start talaga. Actually, my first feeling there is like when I passed the board exam. In my head, I just jumped in my head and full of joy.
Doon po sa mga taxpayers na nagsara dahil mayroon silang pending liability with the BIR, so mas pinili na lang nilang magsara, in-encourage ko po kayo na mag-start ulit at mag-avail ng program na to para po magkaroon tayo ng fresh start po. Mayroon po kaming i-establish na desk kung saan andun si compliance, si collection, si assessment at si OD para mas mapabilis at hindi na po magpapasapasahan ng application sa different floor ng aming opisina.
With the help and guidance of our Regional Director, Josephine Bertuccio, and our Assistant Regional Director, Wilmer Dekit, Itong initiative na one-stop shop ay itinalaga sa aming opisina upang makatulong para sa aming mga taxpayers.
For all of the business owners, micro business owner out there with pending liabilities, I encourage you to avail this abatement.
Napakahalaga niyang i-avail kasi nga malaking tulong siya sa inyo as a business owners. Ang laking tulong niya talaga, promise. Yung imbis na ipambabayad mo ng full, at least meron ka pang natitirang pang puhunan ulit dun sa panibago mong start. So, thank you so much.
Naiintindihan namin na hindi palaging maayos ang takbo ng negosyo at kailangan ng ating mga kababayan ng pagkakataong makapagsimulang muli. Kaya ang programang ito ay hindi lamang tungkol sa pagbabawas ng penalties o ng interests or surcharges. It is about giving our micro taxpayers a chance to settle their obligations and move forward with a clean slate. At bilang BIR, gagawin naming simple, malinaw, maayos at madaling i-avail ang proseso. Yan ang layunin ng ating one-time tax abatement program for micro taxpayers.